welcome to Seen Through Glass. Welcome to the final part of my Shell V-Power £1,000 car challenge. Late last night, Shell emailed me and said I needed to head to Silverstone to collect one of their VIPs that just attended the British Grand Prix and get them down to Goodwood, ready for Festival of Speed. If I get them there by 3 PM and if they rate my ride 5 stars, I will have the chance to drive Ivan, this Volvo V70, up the iconic Goodwood hill climb. So, it's STG hat off, chauffeur's hat on! Right, the instructions said the VIP would be waiting underneath the Silverstone sign. I think she and Shell shirt. Yes! Okay, here we go. I think I found them. Hello! I'm waving. Yeah, she's waving back. Okay, here we go. Oh, I need to do the door, don't I? Hello! Wait. Quick. Sorry, I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you.
This is Ivan.
Love it.
I think so.
Thank you.
This is your ride.
Do you mind putting the aircon on? It's really hot in here.
There's no aircon as
Right.
such.
Okay.
I did think ahead, and I've got you
Amazing.
an on-demand fan. So why don't you take that? And you know what? When you get moving, the air comes in the windows. So. Okay, I think it's going well. She seems impressed by Ivan so far. I'm now going to put some V-Power in because I think she'll be impressed by that. V-Power? Alright? She loved it. Some snacks.
Thank you.
What I like to do is use that armrest as a table.
Love it.
This car is fantastic with things. So water. I got you a green juice.
Love it.
I thought you looked like a green juice drinker. Don't take that personally. My girlfriend loves grapes in the car.
I like a grape too.
There we go. Fantastic. Crisps. I mean, we got snacks for days here.
Great.
And obviously, Ivan's been snacking on V-Power. Off we go. We pulled over quickly so that Ivan could get a rest, and I have to say, Ivan is being amazing so far. This is the most miles I've done in Ivan to date, and as a motorway cruiser, he's smashing life. These chairs, I mean, no matter what I do to this car, no matter how I transform it, these chairs are here to stay. They're fantastic. But yeah, no other real problems. We've got the windows down, trying to get some air flowing through, radio blasting. Forgot to get some CDs. That would have been nice, wouldn't it? Now that I know I've got a CD player, I could have serenaded my guest. But that hasn't really worked out. We're about 35-40 minutes away from Goodwood now. But I feel like there's just some work that I need to get her into the car a bit more. At the moment, she's being a very good passenger, just sitting there, and I think I'm being a very good chauffeur, but I want her to get the vibe of Ivan a bit more, buy into it a bit more. I've definitely won her over by using V-Power at every fuel stop, even though we've only done one, but we've stopped again. I'm trying to stay on brand, trying to impress her with my Shell loyalty. But yeah, okay, so when she gets back, I'm going to try and start to impress her, or try and get her onto the whole Ivan cheerleading squad. I have a suggestion. I don't want you to think I'm too forward, but I don't feel like you're getting the full Ivan experience.
Okay.
Would you consider moving to the front?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Yes, my plan is working. Basically, I don't know if anyone from the Shell team explained exactly what's been going on this week. As in why you've ended up in a Volvo.
Not really, no.
This is not a private taxi. Essentially, Shell challenged me to go and buy a car for £1,000.
Right.
And then have been setting me a number of tasks to complete to sort of show that, or prove that I can love any car. We can all love any car. If we treat it right and care about it, we can get enjoyment from it.
Okay.
So I've done a number of challenges, and this is like the final challenge. And I think Ivan is fantastic. I love Ivan. I don't know your initial impressions. Don't feel like you have to say them now, but I want to try and prove to you why this Volvo is a fantastic choice for this challenge. That's Amelia, by the way, if you hadn't. I forgot to introduce you earlier.
Huh?
So this is a 1999 Volvo V70. It's done just under 170,000 miles, and I only bought it like 3 days ago.
Amazing.
So I bought it off like this slightly interesting forecourt, and it was in pretty bad shape, but you'll know the benefits of V-Power. Topping it up a full time, got a clean engine, running smoothly now, a little added performance, and this car I just think is a winner all round. I picked it because firstly the colour is amazing, dark green, surely.
I agree, I love dark green, yeah.
It's a great colour for a car.
Great colour.
But it's safe, it's practical, it's reliable, but it's also a bit quirky, don't you think?
Yeah, I do.
Like during today's journey, I know you've been melting a little bit in the back, but the car's got character.
It does, yeah. I've been pleasantly surprised.
Pleasantly surprised, and it's so smooth, and on the long journeys it's been fantastic. And now we're out here on the country roads. As I say, we've got the V-Power performance and the rattle from the exhaust, but how is it going on your rating system?
I'm liking it, yeah.
Yeah? Is there anything like I can do to like help? Like, because you know I'm going for like a 5-star
Okay,
rating.
yeah. I mean, you're probably on a 4 at the moment.
What?
Yeah.
What? Have you ever driven a Volvo?
I actually haven't, no.
I think if you drive Ivan, you will understand Ivan.
Really?
Yeah, okay, let's do it. I'm going to pull over. You're getting behind the wheel of this V70.
Okay, let's do it.
Smooth, huh?
Love it.
Smooth. I've never actually been in the passenger seat of this car yet.
You're not?
No, this is quite nice. It's giving me a whole other perspective.
Yeah. I feel like I need the chauffeur hat.
Oh, well, no, sorry, the chauffeur hat is mine. But
That's yours. Yeah, I'm loving it.
is this winning you over for that 5-star rating? I mean, how many times have you been able to drive the taxi that you've been chauffeured in?
I have to say it's the first time I've ever driven the taxi.
It's
yeah.
nice for me. How can I? Where's this? I'm gonna relax. It takes a while. Okay, well.
This is great.
Just let me know when you get to Goodwood Hotel, yeah?
I might need directions.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
There we go, Goodwood Hotel.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
It was great.
It was a pleasure. Can I have your rating, I guess?
Yeah, this has been tricky and I didn't know what to give you, but I'm going to give you a 5-star.
Thank you so much. Good luck with the weekend.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Take care, bye.
So yes, 5 stars. That means I'm going to be driving Ivan, the Volvo V70, up the iconic Goodwood Hill climb. I can't quite believe it. What a mad day. I did not expect to be spending the final part of this epic challenge with Shell chauffeuring one of their VIPs. It's been an amazing few days and just the start of my adventures with Ivan the Volvo. A massive thanks to Shell for helping put together this entire campaign. It's been really, really interesting. I've loved every second. Tomorrow, I am now going to be driving this car up the hill. So if you are attending Goodwood Festival of Speed, make sure to check it out. I believe they mentioned that the run, if it was to happen, would be around lunchtime. So I'll put it all over Instagram and Twitter, what time going up. And then if you are at Goodwood Festival of Speed on Saturday, I'll also be on the Shell stand at some point on that day. So again, I'll promote it. Lots going on, we're at a hotel. I'll promote it on Instagram and Twitter. But yes, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for plenty more videos to come.